Hello guy, today we're going to be teaching you this trick that I got and wrote about. So join my friend and wrote about. Actually, I just join myself. How about I just join myself? I'm not a girl. Okay. First off, press this and click off a cookbox. After you do that, you put two blocks. You do this right, and you click this button that has the facing up. If you're on mobile, then you'll get this right. And after that, put yourself on top. And after that, you have to get your butter blocks. Then trap yourself in there. And after that, do this. And then voila! You're flying. But but you're gonna have to try to be a little bit steady. A little bit steady with yourself. Or else everything you go up or past will be just a waste. Holy crap. So yeah. That's all. Hold on. What? Hold on. Let me try walking back.